I'm able to do some of the things that I like doing and love to do, like travel, because I wasn't able to do a lot of that because of the pain. But since I have had the surgeries, I'm right back at it. My name is Michael Brown. I had a partial knee replacement done by Dr. Greene. The knee is better than it's ever been, so I'm completely happy. I was impressed with his bedside manner because I went to a doctor before him that I was not impressed with. Took a look at the knee and said, I think you got a torn meniscus. No x-ray, no MRI, no anything. Wanted to get a second opinion, come to Dr. Greene. First thing he said, we're gonna get you an MRI. And we found it, there was a torn meniscus, but also had a stress fracture. So that was something that we would have never known had we not done the MRI. So I'm very thankful for that. Some of the things I could do now that I couldn't do before, first, like I said, is walk. You know, I can board planes and walk airports, and you know, when I get to a site that I like to, you know, want to sightsee, I'm able to do that now. I'm able to get out and just walk with my grandchildren, which they are, you know, they're the love of my life. So climbing up and down the stairs, I mean, just the simplest things that we take for granted, I'm able to do all those things again, and I didn't realize what I was missing. So it's really great to have that mobility back. You know, when I first looked at Dr. Greene's reviews, well, heck, every one of them is 5 stars, and he's got, you know, 500 reviews. So they're just good people. I mean, they're friendly. Their bedside manner is excellent. They talk to you. You see, they cut up a kid with you. You know, it's not all doom and gloom like it is in a lot of doctors' offices. So.